Okay, guys, I am not a social media person. I don't know nothing about social media. All I know is to watch, look at it and just watch. I don't know how to do video. Right now, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but please, I'm just sending this out to let you all know that I have a brother. My name is Pauline. My brother name is Richard McLish. From last week Monday, he left to work. His girlfriend said that she called him and tell him he must come over his house. He said yes. Then afterward, he called back and he said he can't come to work because remember, he said he can't come over there, over the girl yard, because he just remember said a woman called him. Most likely he's supposed to know because he doesn't go with people that he does not know. A woman called him and said, and for him to come and go to go and measure some work, do some measurement for some work. Well, I don't know if he went. I'm in Canada. He's in Jamaica, right? So I don't know if he went. What I'm talking is what I heard, right? And most likely, I don't know if he went, but 8:37, I'm in Canada. At 8:37, a voicemail from him come to my phone, but I didn't know until I go on the road and I come back. When I come back, I was home back after 2, and when I look at the voice note and I listen to the voice note, but it's something personal. He said, when I look at the voice note, I call him back the same time, because at the time I never heard of nothing wrong with him. I call him, and when I call him, I did not get him. The call keeps saying calling, just calling, not ringing, because it was a video, it was a WhatsApp call. Okay, I don't get him. I leave it at that because I didn't hear of him missing or anything. Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday evening, somebody called me from home. When his baby mother called me and said if I hear say Richie missing. You understand? They say what? You say have to tell me foolishness because God know. Richie can't missing. Richie gone at some girl or something or whatever. I just take it like that. And from last week Monday until today, right now as I'm talking, today is the what? 24th or 23rd. Richie is not be found. Last night before last night, somebody called my other brother, son. His mother called his phone and tell him that they found his body in Falmouth, in some, what they call it, what, I don't even know. And I said, I'm telling you, from that day, from last week, Monday until now, I don't see my brother. I send it to PopEye so that he can announce it. He don't respond to me, so I don't know if he get it or whatever, because I don't understand how to do it. You understand? I don't know nothing about social media. So what I'm trying to say, I'm just trying to ask Jamaicans out there. He's from Falmouth, 2nd Street. His name is Richard. He do welding work, burglar bars and so. So please, I'm asking all of you Jamaicans in Jamaica from Montego Bay, Falmouth, if you don't know anything about Richie, anybody who know anything about Richie, if you don't see Richie anywhere, I don't know anything about Richie, me the beg you know. Please, tell him say me love him. Tell him say me love him, although I know say me love him. Me dey try my best to try keep strong, but it is very hard. I want a closure. Me want to know if he's dead. Me want to know if he's alive. Me want to know what happened to my brother. Me not put out no arm to nobody. Me just ask. No do. Anybody who know anything. If you can just talk. If I go to the nearest police station and say something so that we can get a closure. So that we can get to know Me dey beg you, please, Jamaicans, please. Me dey beg you. It's not for Canada because I'm at Canada. Nobody here know who Richie is. But in Jamaica, I want it to go out. I'm sending it to Jamaica. Falmouth, Montego Bay. The last place I'm supposed to because I don't know, is John Zal. Because that's what he said. He tell his baby mother that somebody is going to pick him up to go to John Zal to measure up a house so that he can get to do some work there. He had work inside the yard when he was doing, and he left it just to go and take the measurement, right? And the baby mother, one of the baby mother called him 9:30, video call him and see him at a house. The house is painting. She said the house is painting green and white. That's where him see him, and him said to him, say, he can't talk to him then now. Him say he can't talk to him then now, he might do something. So as soon as he finish, him will call her. You understand? And from there, we don't get nothing. They don't get nothing. And from it look like maybe after that she called me and whatever. You know? From there they don't. Everybody keep calling the phone keep going to voicemail. And the phone was well charged when he leave. We only hear saying body was found in Falmouth in a swamp. Then again one lady tell me say somebody call him and tell him say they find him in some swamp out of Freeport. I call Freeport police station, I call Falmouth police station, I call Mount CLM, everywhere, and there is no clue, nothing at all can be found. So if Richie's still alive, Richie, if you're still alive and you run where you're there, me don't know what he say. But me dey beg you, if you hear it, please, me dey beg you, Richie, please. It dey kill me. Me want a closure. So please, me dey beg you. Please, anywhere you're there, if you're living, or if you're dead, dream to me and tell me where you're there. If you find it.